Are you preparing for GATE 2023 but are still thinking where to start from? Start early with the correct approach and know how. We are coming up with a new session for all the students who are appearing in year 2023. So let me just highlight you some of the key features of this program. So the first one is it's a self-paced course. So you will get direct access to all the sessions by topics curated by our expert mentors. Secondly, it includes diverse live sessions. So I can confidently say that whatever you learn through the self-learning outcomes will be summarized and recapped in the live sessions taken by our mentors. And lastly, the most important key highlight of them all is the syllabus roadmap for your success in GATE 2023. Apart from these, we also have live doubt solving sessions and quizzes and a bonus score boosting session. So geeks, you'll have the advantage of having content around the clock. Every year, lakhs of engineering aspirants go that extra mile to prepare for this tough examination. So register yourself and get started to crack the GATE exam.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th session of Coding Battleground. Let me tell you what we actually do in this program. In this program, there remain a battle between our two highly competitive coders. Actually, they will try to solve a very good problem which is already asked in some of the company, and they will try to solve the problem. Meanwhile they will solve the problem, they will work on the problem. I will be having a quiz with the audience also, so there will be a battle in between our audience also. Okay, so there will be two winners in this session. One will be from the audience, whoever will be the winner in the quiz, and one winner will be from our coders, whoever will solve the problem in less time. Less time means less time complexity. And let's suppose if they're having the same time complexity, then that will be based upon that will be based upon who is solving the problem first. Okay, so let me call our today's guest. Hello Sid, how are you?
Hi Puneet, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay, I think many people here already know you. We have already attended some other sessions also. So still, will you please introduce yourself for our new audience?
Yeah, sure. So, hi everyone. I'm Siddharth Hazra. I'm a third year in Netaji Subhash Engineering College in Kolkata, and currently I'm a expert in code forces. And let's see what happens.
Okay. So let me call our second guest. Hello, Susmita. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, Susmita, will you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Yes, definitely. Hello, everyone. I am Susmita Paul. Currently, I'm pursuing MTech from IIT Kharagpur and got placed in Microsoft. And like for the placement purpose, I did a lot of coding, like from Geeks for Geeks, from Lead Code, Interview Bit, and all these stuffs.
Okay. So you are both are actually doing competitive programming, and both are good at that. And so let's see what happened today in today's session. I'm having a good problem for you people, and so I'm going to share the problem with you. Before I go to share the problem with you, so I have actually one comment from our audience. So let's take that. Okay. So I will like to have a suggestion from both of you. Actually, very short suggestion from both of you. Okay, let's start with Sid. Sid, what you will like to say to this comment? Somebody is asking that whether he have to start the DSA in first year or not.
Yeah, he should be starting, but from the second semester, in my point of view. First semester is to be attend the seminars and webinars and get to know what is web development, what is machine learning, so that he can explore and can just know the place, get habituated to it, and then he can start from the second semester itself. Then it would be very fine and he won't be regretting it.
Okay, Sushmita, what is your what you think about it? What you will like to share with this person? I wish.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. So yes, like you should start DSA from first year only. But before starting coding stuff, you should start with the like basic algorithms. You have to learn all the data structures and all the different kinds of algorithms that are available. So try to learn all the data structures. Begin with the small problems. Okay, like try to implement small things like how everything works. Try to understand everything in the beginning, and after that try to implement, like try to write code after.
Okay, Lalit, I do not forget to apply the background. Actually, today actually I visited my own campus. And I'm presently I'm in DTU, and I'm sitting in the sports area actually in the sports ground. So let me show you people also. People are participating in sports. So I'm sitting here and just having a session with you people. Okay, okay, don't worry. We will finish this session. Okay. Okay, so let me. There are many other questions also from the audience side, but I will take them at the end if we will be having some time with us. But let's start with our today's session. Actually, this is we take the problem in this session. We take a good problem in this session, and our coders, these two coders, will try to solve that problem, and whoever will be solving the problem in less time complexity, that will be the winner. And maybe the complexity is same, then who will solve the problem first, that will be the winner. Okay, okay. So let me share my screen with you people. I hope the PPT is visible. Will you please confirm me,
Yeah,
Siddharth?
yeah,
And
it's visible. Yeah, it's
okay,
visible.
so this is our actually eighth
Yes,
session
sir, it's
of
visible.
Coding Battleground, and here is the problem. Problem already been asked in the Amazon actually. So this problem already been asked in Amazon. The name of the problem is edit distance, and the problem is like this. Okay, let me tell you the problem. We have two strings s and t with us, and we need to return minimum number of operations required to convert string 1 to string 2. We need to convert s to t. So we have two strings, and we need to perform some minimum number of operations to convert one string to another string. Okay, so what are the different operations you can perform? That is, you can add some character, insert some character in s. So you can make modification in s to convert s into t. Okay, see, these are two strings. So you can insert some character in S string, and you can remove any character from S, or you can replace any character from S. So you can perform these three operations in this string. Okay, and so after that, these two strings must be equal. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So
Just a small, just a small bit of confusion. Yeah,
yes,
so every operation has the same weightage,
yeah, all the
or
operations
it
have
has.
same weightage.
Okay.
And some more constant, both the string length is less than equal to 100, greater than 1, and both strings should be in lowercase. Okay, okay. So here is an example. For example, we have a string s geek and another string t, that is GESEK. So if we want to convert this string into this string, so you can see, okay, how many operations you need to perform: any insert, remove, or replace. So here you can see that we can insert s here.
Sir,
In
yes, yes, sir.
we we can insert s here, and with one operation actually we will be able to convert this string s string to t string. Okay, so output should be 1. Okay, I hope the problem is clear to both of you.
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay,
yes,
so
sir,
if the
definitely.
problem is clear, can you people tell me what should be the output for this string?
Okay.
Last two, last two is sent, so they won't be doing anything. Then
Five, I think.
Okay, so how that cannot you perform less operations than 5?
Can you provide us a
Okay,
simple
yes, we
string,
can
a
perform
little
in
bit
place
smaller string?
operations also.
Okay, okay. So I hope the question is clear to you. Output
Yeah,
should be 4 like that. Okay, you can insert 2b here, 1b and second b, 2b here,
Yes,
and you
and can
can delete
remove these
these
two
two,
bits. Yes.
these 2b. So this will be the same as this one.
Hmm.
So 4 operations you are performing actually, adding 2b and deleting 2b. So 4 operations you perform in string S to convert in string T. Now I hope the question is very much clear to you people, and I hope the question is also clear to audience also. Okay, so let me. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm stopping this screen. So let me stop. So I'm coming back. Okay. Okay. So you both of you, please share your coding screen with me.
yeah, it is already shared.
You
Can you
have
just
shared, but
confirm?
yes, yes, your screen is shared. But Susmita, you do not share your coding screen. Please share that.
Yes.
And meanwhile, okay, meanwhile you will solve this problem. Both of you will work on this problem. I'm going with the quiz with my audience actually.
Okay.
Okay, so you people can start working on this problem. Okay, okay, you can work. Let me share again my
Okay, sir.
screen, and I'm presenting a quiz for the audience. So let me present it. So if you want to participate in this quiz, you need to open www.menti.com, and then you need to enter this code 83019170. Let me copy this code just in the live chat so that you can easily access that. And let me copy the link also. So you can join the quiz by this link, or you may join also by and by using this code. So you can use this code by means by opening the menti.com. Okay, okay. So actually two winners will be there from the quiz. One will be runner up. For runner up also we have one coupon, and for the winner definitely we have one coupon. Okay. So you need to fill some descriptions, and please, every time actually we face the problem that I don't know, you people fill the name, you people fill the name yourself, or that is automatically taken by the system. But I find very strange names every time. So this becomes difficult to find out the winner at the end in the database. Actually, that become difficult for us. So I will suggest you people, okay, please write your the name which you mention in quiz. That name you should mention actually, and your email ID. I think let me do that. So in 30 seconds I'm going to start. Let me see. Exact 30 seconds I will start the quiz. So this quiz is not only about, see, if you will get the coupons, that's one thing, but this is placement oriented quiz that will help you to prepare you people for placement also. So that will help you there also. Okay, okay, I'm starting the quiz now. So here is the first question for you people. So first question is on your screen, and this is from Wipro, right? Last 3 seconds. Let's see how many people attempted it right. This was from the Google. 6 people attempted it right. That's nice to see. See, if you are winning in this quiz now, that means you have uh, good DS. You have good expertise at DSC. This is from TCS. So these are exact questions which are asked in companies. So I think that's a good sign for you people if you are able to attempt these questions. So this is from TCS. Last 10 seconds. So let's see how many people attempted it right. How maximum people attempted it right. 9 people. That's great. So let's move to the next question. So here is the question from the Adobe, and you have lots of time for this. To attempt this question, you have more than 1 minute with you. Plenty of time. You have people have 40 seconds still. You can think of it. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, over. So let's see how many people attempted it right. 5 people attempted it right. Okay. It's okay if you are attempted it even wrong because these questions have good level. So it's okay about if you are attempting it wrong, it's okay. This is from Infosys. Okay, let's see. 3 people only attempted it right. Okay, let's move on. Yes. Second last question. This is from Flipkart. What does the program output? So last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time over. Okay, let's see how many people attempted it right. 5 people attempted it right. It's okay. Even if you are attempting it wrong, no problem at all. At least you are gone through these questions now. So that will benefit you people when you will sit in the company. Maybe you encounter with same type of problem. This is from VMware. So it's okay if you are attempting it wrong also. Still you are learning. So this is the last question. Last 10 seconds. So more than 20 people attempted this question this time. So let's see what is the output. 5 people attempted it right. It will take. Let's see who is the winner for this quiz. So STMO is the winner and Dragonite is the runner-up. So congratulations, Elmo. So let me say congratulations. You people can congrats to. Okay. So local was third. So okay. Sid and Susmita, I need your 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Actually, ST Elmo wins the quiz. Winning this quiz. Okay, please, can you please give me 10 seconds? You both of you,
Yeah,
please.
sure. Yeah, sure.
Actually, ST Elmo is the
Yes, sir. Yes.
winner, and yeah, winning this quiz is actually is not easy actually, because the question is from very good companies. They are from top companies in the world. So that's I think we have to celebrate that. So I will request you, both of you, celebrate with me. 10 seconds, 10 claps with me. Okay. So to celebrate the win of ST Elmo, you people can also say, okay, please join
Yeah,
me.
sure.
Please, Susmita, please join. Let's congrats to ST Elmo. Okay.
Congratulations, STL. I don't know what is
So
his
No,
actual
actually.
name, but like,
okay. So let's move to okay. Let's see. Let me share the screen of Siddharth with you people now. Okay. Sushmita or Siddharth, anyone have you completed?
Yeah, just about to complete.
Okay.
yes, sir, I have completed it.
So you have completed, Sushmita. Okay, that's great. So let me share your screen. Sushmita, okay. Let's test your code first. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this person was
Sir,
Dragonite.
can I
He was the
explain this
runner-up.
code?
No, before explaining the code, actually, we will test this code. So come to the test execution part. I will provide
Okay.
you some input. You need to test for that.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sure.
So will you please increase the font of your screen little bit? Yeah, I think that's a little better.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, that's fine now. So input is triple A, the same input I am giving, which we check out in the example. Hi, Kaushal. Thanks, Mohan.
Triple A?
Wash hand. I don't know. I'm sorry for the noise, Aman. I'm sitting in sports ground. Okay, so Sushmita, the input is triple A, double B, double C. This is the S
Yes,
string,
sir.
and another one is
Yes.
double B, triple A, double C, double B, triple A, double C. So what is the output?
So, sir, the output is 4. So, output is
Output should
4,
be
sir.
4. Yeah, that should be 4. This is the same example I give you. So you people can
Yes, sir.
also
I'm
give
getting 4.
give
Yes.
in the from the audience, the people can give the input to test the Susmita code. Otherwise, we will uh, go with the logic. Okay, what is the logic she is applying? We will discuss that logic. She will discuss actually. And before that, if you want to check for some input, you can provide the input from your end also. In the live chat, you can provide the input. Okay, so Sushmita, before starting with the code, can you give us idea actually? But what is the logic you are using? Can you please explain the logic? Which what is the logic to solve this problem? In simple language, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. So, I will be using like Painter. So, suppose like we have given suppose one is I'm taking a simple string. Suppose S1 is ABC and S2 is BBC. So we can perform three operations. One is insert. So insert in insert operation we can insert any lowercase like alphabet. Okay, and in delete operations we can remove any like from any of the string to like make them similar, like s1 and s2 should be similar. And in the replace operation we have to replace a alphabet like from anywhere, like from s1 or s2 we have to replace any character, any alphabet, and like to make this s1 and s2 similar, like s1 is s1 and s2 is bbc. So like clearly visible that if s1 will be equal to s2, so the output should be 1 in this case, because like we are replacing a with b, and like s1 will be equal to s2. So how we are applying the logic here? Suppose like in the like beginning, what I have checked that like we have to make a dp table here. Obviously this is a dynamic programming problem because we have to like check several cases here. Okay, so like here for s1 and s2 the length is 3 in both of the cases, s1 and s2 length is 3. So we'll be taking a 4 by 4 dp table here. 4 by 4 dp table here, and the rows represent the alphabets from s1, and the columns represents the columns will be representing the alphabets from s2. Okay, so first we have to check the base conditions. What will be the base conditions? So like if there is nothing, like if s1 is equal to blank, like there is nothing, blank string, and s2 is suppose anything, suppose this bbc here. So like what will be like what we have to perform, like if it is blank string, so like here we can check that s1 is blank. So here I will be doing is like the length of the s2, because like if s2 is b only single character, then I will be adding only one here. Okay, and if okay, so this is for s1 equal to okay, this is for s1 equal to 0. This is for s1 and this is for s2. And if it is bb, then I will be like we have to insert two alphabets, and if it is bbc we have to insert three alphabets, and it is obviously definitely 0. And if it is the opposite, like if this is s1 and this is s2, so we have to do the exact same thing here also. This will be 1 2 3, and then I have to check like for 1 1. So like actual the s1 is abc and s2 is bbc. So I will be checking the like first character. These two characters are different here. So like here I am coming in the like loop. If s1 of I minus 1, I will be doing that. But here these two characters are not equal. Then I will be like checking if I add like some characters in s1. if I add some character, like before A, I am adding some character. Suppose I have to obviously add B here. Then what will be the what will be the like what is the mean? I have to check like if I add some character here, if I delete some character here, like if I am deleting A, and I have to check if I replace A with B. Okay, these three conditions I have to check, and I am like taking the minimum of these three operations. Like what will be the minimum of these three operations? Okay, so I am taking that. So this one is like for replacing. Okay, one plus that. This one is for like deleting, and this one is for inserting. So the minimum of these three is 0, obviously, and like I have to do 1 plus that. So this will be 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. So I have to fill the DP table in this way. Okay, and if the character is matching, then I have to we should not do anything. Like if these three are equal, like A and H2 is also A, then we should not do any we should not perform any operations, obviously. Then in this case, the operations will be like 0. Okay, so we have to perform 0 operation. So like I have written the code in this way.
Okay, Susmita. Susmita, okay, please continue with your code.
Sir, I have explained the code.
Okay, that's fine.
So
Okay,
should I explain the time complexity also, sir?
yes, please.
Okay, so coming to the space complexity first. Space complexity is like I'm taking one DP table. The length of it is like size of like if the size is L1, like the length of string 1 is L1, and if the size of string 2 is L2, then the space complexity here is order of L1 into L2 here. And for the time complexity, you can check here that here I am performing like here there are two loops. Okay, so one is like I is from 1 to L1 and J is from 1 to L2. So time complexity is also like order of L1 into L2. Okay, so like this is the thing, and these are like single loops. So this is order of L1 and this is order of L2. So this is the maximum thing. So obviously the time complexity will be order of L1 into L2.
Okay, you are actually applying the dynamic programming, and we are building the table of S into T size, and building the table required no doubt S into T operations. That will be the time complexity. Yeah, that's okay. That's right. So before moving to the Siddharth, actually to Sid, let me. I have one question from the audience for Susmita. For you, okay.
Yes,
You are already placed in Microsoft. So
yes.
will you please give this suggestion on this Rajat comment? I like this comment. What
Okay.
what both of you will do when you, let's suppose you stuck building after trying a lot. You, if you stuck, let's suppose you're live solving the problem here and you stuck, then or maybe in interview you stuck, then what you will do?
Okay, so like what both of you do when you stuck in logic building after trying a lot. Okay, so like when you are trying, like you have to like simplify the problem in the beginning. Okay, so if you are getting a hard problem or medium, maybe medium kind of problem, medium level problem, then you have to simplify the problem. You have to understand like what they are trying to say. You have to like form small parts of the problem, like try to understand the problem properly, then try to make a pseudocode of that, like try to understand what algorithms you should apply, like all the first, obviously I told you before, like you have to first like understand all the data structures and all the algorithms, then try to understand what algorithm you can apply to that particular problem. Okay, so many algorithms can be applied to a particular problem, and then you have to try to implement each and every algorithms on that problem. After that, try to understand which algorithm is performing in less time complexity, because they like in the interviews also, like they check like the time complexities also you have to perform in the best way possible. So then try to see like what is the time complexity that every algorithm is taking, and try to get the best possible like algorithm. So this will be
Okay.
the strategy.
Okay. So before moving on to to the seed, actually one announcement I have for the audience. If you want to participate live here in place of Susmita and Sid, if you want to come here and participate in this event, then a form is available in the description section. If you are good in competitive programming and DSA, if you think that you are good at that, then you can fill that form, and we will call you, and you can come here and participate live on TFG channel actually. Okay, if you are good at DSA and competitive programming, you can fill the form provided in the description. Okay, so let's move to the Sid now. Sid, so have you completed or still working on that?
Yeah, it's cut done.
Okay, so let's execute your code. Audience can also provide the input to test
I have
the
already
Sid.
I have already pasted your test case and let me run it again for confirmation. And it is showing the output 4 in this test case for the test case that you have given.
So that's showing for. Okay,
Uh,
so one more test case I would like to check.
yeah, sure.
So that is let me, if somebody give from the audience. No, nobody give. Okay, let me give you. So the same tested case I'm taking, which we give in the example. S is geek.
S is geek.
No, no, you do not need to write complete. So
Okay, what?
first string is geek. First string is
Geek.
geek,
Okay.
and the second string is you can insert one letter. GESEK.
Gesek.
So one should be the output.
Uh, Gesek.
That is showing three.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, just give me some time. I would be developing it.
So Siddharth, you have only 2 minutes with you, and if you are
Yeah,
not
sure.
able to solve in 2 minutes, then Susmita will be the winner.
Okay, sure.
Sid, I think like it should be like this line, like 15th line, it should be a of I minus 1 equal to b of j minus 1, I think.
A of I minus 1. What?
It should be like b of j minus 1. You have written like both I minus 1, a of I minus 1 equal to b of I minus 1. You have written that. So I think it should be b of j minus 1.
Okay, sorry.
One silly
Yes, yes,
mistake
yes,
is
yes.
this.
Okay,
Yes,
fair. Okay, thank you.
welcome.
So let's try for the same input.
Yeah, it's done. It's giving us 1.
This one, yes, that's okay. Okay, can you please, Sid? Can you please explain the logic? Which
Yeah,
logic you
sure.
are applying?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so for making the two strings equal, to make S1 is equal, so let's take A and B. So we have two strings A and B, and to make them equal, that is A is equals to B, we can perform three operations. The first one is the erase operation, the second one is the insert operation, and the third one is the replace. And all of them has the same weightage. So if we start thinking greedily that either we can erase the characters or either we can insert or either we can replace. So after drawing out few sample test cases, like if we have A, B, C and if we have A, D, A, D, C, we can see that replacing is the best way possible because these two are same and replacing is the best way possible. But when you look at the second example that is given by Puneet, you can see that we can't move in a predefined way and we can't just erase or just insert or just replace. So the best way possible is to try all possible ways and to give the minimum out of it. Okay. So if we have a string S1, suppose we have A, B, C, and we have D, C, and then suppose C only. Then for string this, so we would start from the back. You can start from the front too if you wish. So we would start from the front. So the last character is same. So if the last character is same, we need to make the two strings equal. So there is no point in performing one operation and making it a little bit costly. So we won't be doing anything. So rather the pointer would be moving to B and C. So for B and C, we are having two operations. So this is AB and this is DC. So we have two operation for the last character, three operation for the last character. The first one is to erase this particular character. Okay. So if we erase this particular character, then we have A, and this side we have DC. And the next character is to insert. So if we start to insert the last C, so we would get A, B, C, and the next one we would get as DC. Okay. And then if we just do the replace thing, then what we need to do is A, B, and D, we have DC, and we are talking about the last character. So AB would be converted to, last character would be converted to C, because converting that to the character that we require is the most optimal one. And this would become AC, and this is same, and then we would require here. Now, drawing out the recursion tree for the whole test case would be a little tough. Why? Because this replacement and insertion can go in both ways. Either we can insert this particular character that we want in the first string, or either we can insert the last character that we want in the second string. So we can go either ways. Same goes for deletion, and same goes for this replacement. Fair enough. So you would come to the solution that when we are reaching at this point, we are ending this. Okay. And it is quite clear because the length of the string is same. So if we have this, suppose this is the same string, so we would come and we would do nothing. We would come here, we would do nothing, and we would come here and we would do nothing. Fair enough, simple, we would return 0. But the problem would arise when we are inserting characters. In that point of time, we are just incrementing the length. Now suppose we have A, B, and here we have nothing. Okay. So if we have A, B, and if we have nothing, we have no way rather than just to insert, or rather to erase. Insertion and erase both are the same. So either we can add this A and B, insertion, or either we can delete this A and B and make both empty. Okay. Whatever be the case, we can see that the length of the first string, if it has some length, and the length of the second string, if it doesn't have length, then the length of the string which it is having will be our answer. So this can work as a base case. Same goes for the second one. If this side is empty and we have A and B, then we can say that to make these two equal, we need to perform two operations. Okay. Now let's go to the code editor and we can see it better. Okay. Fair enough. So let me just, yeah. So we are taking the strings. And what are the things that we need? Okay, so we can draw out from the recursion tree that we need the pointer at both. Why not only one pointer is enough? Because it might be the case that the first pointer in the first string is at this position, and the pointer in the second string is at this position. They both are in different position, and we need to keep a track of them. So keeping a track of them is absolutely very easy by taking I and J. I would be there for the first string, and J would be there for the second string. So if the first string is empty, we would return the size of the next string. If the second string is empty, we would return the size of the first string. Then to make memoization much easier and to perform the recursion in the first hand, what we are doing is we are taking an answer, and for now you can just comment out this. Okay, fair enough. Then suppose the last character is same. Okay, so if we have C and C, so if last character is same, then do nothing but return me the answer for the rest. So we are doing that thing only. Okay, and here I missed that this I wrote it here. So we are doing nothing, but rather we are telling that return me for the rest. Okay, and then we have three options available. The first one is to erase. So if we erase a particular, so if we have A, B, C and we have A, B, D, so if we erase this C, then the pointer would come here, and this pointer would remain at the same position. Okay, and so this would be like this, I minus 1, and the J would remain at the same position. Same goes the reverse way. So we are cutting down the character in the second string, and we are remaining at the first string only. So why this? We will talk about this after a few minutes. Then we talk about insert. So while doing the insert operation, writing one more comparison is not needed. Why? Because suppose this is A, B, C and we want to insert D. So if we are inserting D, then this would remain at this position only and this would be at this position. Okay, but this would come at this position. Okay, fair enough. That is why we are going to just do the same. And the third character is to replace. So if we have A, B, C and if we have A, B, D, then we make it D and we move forward. So we are returning this. That is why the third condition is done and we are able to perform simultaneously for all the strings. Okay, for both the strings. Now we are exhausting whatever we are choosing. Suppose this is the thing that we need, okay, or this is the thing that we need doing. This is the thing. Everyone has the same weightage, so we are adding here one. If the weightage was different, we need to explicitly add different weightage. At the end, what we are doing is we can ignore at this point also. So after seeing this, we can see the range till which the constraints are moving. So we can see that the constraint I and j would start from 0 and would go till the length of the first string, and j would start from 0 and would go till the length of the second string. Suppose it is m, the length of the second string is m. So what we can do is, the size of the given string was 100. So what we can do is, to be on the safer side, we can make a DP array of 101. I like to take it 101 plus 5, whatever be the constraint. So I made an array of 101, okay, 101 constant, and declared it globally so that I don't need to pass it again and again. Then we make every answer as -1 initially, that we have not computed any answer and we are doing it through memset. Then moving forward, what we are doing is we have already have an answer variable. So before just returning, we are just writing down on a pen and paper. This is what we are doing. Just before returning, assign it. And then just before computing the result, because recursion has an overlapping subproblems, okay? So to not compute the same result again and again, what we are doing is, just before the computation, we are checking if we have already computed this answer or not. If we have already computed, then we are returning the pre-computed answer. Okay, this is it. Thank you.
So I think you are saving that space complexity also.
Yeah. So the time complexity to this problem, time complexity to this problem is I and j. So the length of the first string multiplied with the length of the second string. This is the time
Yes.
complexity. And if we talk about space complexity, it is quite clear that this is the range only is the space complexity. Space complexity would again be n into m.
Yes, and into m. Okay, actually, the time complexity and space complexity for both the algorithm is same. What Susmita is doing and what you are also doing. Actually, so okay, let's now wind up this session. Before winding up this session, okay, let's congratulate once again our the winners from the audience. One is St. I think Elmo, and another one is Dragonite. I think that was the name. Okay, so congratulations both of you people. You will receive the coupons from Geeks for Geeks in few days, and maybe Monday or Tuesday, till Monday Tuesday you will receive that. And if any of you want to participate, any of from the audience, if you people are good at DSA, you can also come here live and participate in that. For that, you need to fill up the form in the description, and so congratulations for winners from the audience. And here the complexity of both of your code is same. Space complexity is also same. Time complexity is also same. So as per our rules, Susmita submitted the code earlier, so she will be the winner for this session. And
Congratulations.
Thank
Siddharth,
you, sir.
Siddharth, best of luck for the next session.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So otherwise, the you people actually, this was nice to see that, okay, both having little bit different approach to solve the problem. So that was nice to learn one thing. And thank you both of you for joining this coding battleground, and thank you audience. Now I'm ending this session. Thank you everyone. Stay safe,
Thank
and
you,
please
everyone.
do
Thank you,
like
everyone.
this do like this session. If you like it, please like it, so that we can come up with more sessions. So how we will know that okay, you are liking this, you are something getting from here or not. If you people are getting from here, if you are learning something from here, if you are enjoying these sessions, please like it, so that we can plan for more sessions. Otherwise, what we think that okay, this thing is not maybe useful for you people, so we just try to we do not go with the future sessions. So if you will like that, that will ensure that okay, you are liking these sessions, and we have to go more these type of sessions. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Puneet.